In Sardinia, there is a bread called Mustazzeddu, which is a crossover between a pizza and a focaccia. It's filled with tomato, garlic, and basil, and has a golden, crispy crust. It's so easy to make, and it's perfect for those who never made bread before. Let me show you how to make it. To make the bread, we'll start with water inside a large bowl and the yeast. Mix it until the yeast is fully dissolved. Then we're gonna go in straight with the flour. Here I have a mix of durum with semolina and 00 flour. I'm gonna add about a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. I'm gonna give it a mix all together until I see no more dry flour. Then we're gonna add the salt. Once the salt is in, start working with your hand for about 8 to 10 minutes until the dough comes all together. Once you finish to knead the dough, divide it into 4 equal balls. Sprinkle a small tray with a little bit of flour and then transfer them over. Cover and let them rest for 6 to 8 hours at room temperature, or for a longer fermentation up to 15 to 18 hours in the fridge. For the filling, there are different variations. Today I'm gonna show you how to make it with tomatoes. Add plenty of garlic, loads of fresh basil, a generous pinch of salt, and a good glug of extra virgin olive oil. Give it a mix all together and then let it marinate while the bread is proving. Once the bread has proved, we're ready to rock and roll. On a wooden board, I'm gonna add a sprinkle of flour, and then we're gonna start rolling the dough into a small flat pizza. You wanna try and keep the dough as round as possible. Now we're gonna fill each one, and then I'm gonna fold each side so it overlaps but keeps a little gap in the middle for the steam to escape. Brush them with a little bit of olive oil. Now bake them at 200 degrees on a fan mode for about 25 to 30 minutes, or until they're nice and golden. It's gonna be the hardest thing ever, but you have to let them rest for about 15 minutes before enjoy. Look at those beautiful roasted tomatoes and that fantastic golden crispy crust. Mamma mia. It's absolutely delicious.